There it is, Bob Beers of the Bruins commentary network. There's Judd Surratt down 2 periods down so far, 40 minutes of hockey, and it's 2-2 Bruins and the Jets. It's Thursday night, March 14th. Just recording this quick little video about some what a chill Thursday night it is. I don't mind listening to hockey on the radio. I certainly don't mind listening to the play. It's not like, can follow the puck really. Anyways, so just figured I'd send a quick video on a chill Thursday night. Just got a text message on my phone. I see it coming through, even though you can't see it. But I just wanted to record the video mid-March, and got a stand-up gig tomorrow night at open mic at